Texas loses to Oklahoma on electric vehicle company Canoo's megafactory. The power grid cited as one reason. Canoo says it will complete its assembly plant in Oklahoma by 2023 but will manufacture and ship its first vehicles to U.S. customers from the Netherlands by the end of 2022. The electric vehicle maker Canoo announced Thursday that it would take a megafactory and thousands of high-paying jobs to the Tulsa region, citing Oklahoma's energy-forward initiatives. North Texas was definitely in the race in the multi-state competition for the new assembly plant, but Texas energy infrastructure issues and other factors led the company to choose Oklahoma, Chairman and CEO Tony Aquila told the Dallas Morning News. Will we be big enough fish in that pond? Will we get enough support out of the governor? Aquila said. We had to factor all these things in. The announcement was made at Canoo's first ever investor day at Texas Motor Speedway, and it came with residents of the state on high alert for potential power blackouts. On Monday, ERCOT warned residents to conserve energy or risk rolling blackouts like the ones the state saw during February's winter storm. We see Oklahoma the same way we saw Texas in 2008, Aquila said. Canoo is one of the first public companies to host an in-person investor day since the pandemic began to ease, and it limited attendance at the event. About 24 investors listened as executives laid out Canoo's growth plan and rode around the motor speedway track in test model vehicles. Oklahoma Governor Kevin Stitt was there and said Oklahomans were over the moon excited. Stitt touted Oklahoma's energy costs, which he says are the lowest in the country. We are committed to making you the next Henry Ford of EVs, Stitt told Aquila. The state of Oklahoma and Canoo agreed to an incentive package worth as much as $400 million if the company meets staffing and wage goals, including hiring a workforce that is 10% military veterans, according to Canoo. Canoo says it will base its U.S. production at a custom-built 400-acre assembly plant 45 minutes outside Tulsa. It's a hub we think is going to grow like crazy, Aquila told investors. Referred to by Canoo as a megafactory, the assembly plant is expected to support 2,000 high-paying jobs and is to be complete by 2023. Until the Oklahoma plant is complete, the company will produce vehicles in partnership with the Netherlands-based car manufacturer VDL Nedcar. Canoo plans to start delivering its electric vehicles to customers in the U.S. in fourth quarter of 2022. It already has order commitments from more than 9,000 U.S. customers, Canoo said Thursday. The company has developed a van, a pickup truck and a sedan that all offer front, rear and all-wheel drive. The base model sedan, referred to as a lifestyle vehicle, will start at $34,750 and will have a range of 250 miles per charge. Canoo's 3 vehicle models aim to be affordable and are based on a highly customizable modular design that emphasizes cabin and storage space. Adding a roof rack to a vehicle, or outfitting a Canoo van with accessories to turn it into a food truck, can be done by the vehicle owner without going to a shop, the company said. Canoo is also developing an entire digital ecosystem and an app that vehicle owners can use to monitor maintenance needs, make car payments and receive over-the-air software updates. The app will allow businesses to manage and track entire fleets of Canoo vehicles at once. Previously, the company planned to sell its technology to other automakers, but it will now sell directly to consumers as well as commercial operators under the direction of Aquila. Aquila's private equity firm took a $35 million stake in Canoo last summer as the company was early in the process of merging with a special purpose acquisition company, or SPAC. Canoo went public and listed on the NASDAQ under the ticker GOEV in December. Aquila took over as chairman and was appointed CEO in April after Canoo co-founder and former BMW executive Ulrich Kranz resigned. Aquila then brought Canoo's corporate offices from California to Texas and shifted the company's focus. The new office space is in Justin, where Canoo signed a 5-year contract on a property Aquila owns, according to the Los Angeles Business Journal. The move is temporary, and Canoo aims to keep jobs in Texas in the future, Aquila said. The company is still searching for a research and development facility site, as well as a permanent home for its headquarters. Last month, Aquila notified investors that Canoo was under investigation by the U.S. Securities and Exchange Commission. The agency is looking into the company's deal to go public through a SPAC acquisition as well as the recent departures of company executives and its business model, according to a filing with the SEC. Aquila started his Dallas-based private equity firm, AFV Partners, after stepping down as CEO of the Westlake-based automotive software company Solera Holdings. Aquila later sued Solera for withholding $100 million in stock options that he argued he was owed. The legal battle raised questions about how the company was run during his tenure.